I already got a jump scare warning about this guy right here. Okay, dude. Okay. Oh. Trigger warning. There's a strong horror. Oh, nah. Okay, let's get ready. Ignore all of these ones right here. Hey, this has got to be a strong horror, dude. Let's go. The ugly duckling. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, yo. Hey, created by you. Once it. Hey, yo.
By a peaceful lake, and my first one was laid to rest.
Okay, we started off strong. We're started strong. We're good.
Look at this ugly thing. Said one of the cynics,
Oh, no.
as it appeared that there
You saw that?
The mother swan looked at the duckling with disgust. This is not one of my children, she said as she picked at it, pushing the hatchling away from the nest.
Nah! You toxic mom!
You will never be beautiful. The duckling cried as its family relentlessly shamed it. Day after day, the family would mistreat the duckling, making fun of its appearance. The swans constantly pointed out their differences such as their size or beaks, though they mainly ridiculed the duck's feathers. Your feathers are plain and gross, like dirt. You could only be like ours.
Nah, boy!
The duckling disappeared.
Did he disappear without a trace? Okay, now we're sort of strong. This is gonna be a strong horror. Anyways, I'm gonna be back. I'm sorry, boys. I'm just gonna be quick one. Okay. I'm just gonna be back with. Woo! I don't like to talk actually. Okay, bye. Hello. Oh yeah. Yeah, the ugly duckling.
Good riddance, chirped one of the siblings. That run was changing our family. Many suns and many moons passed, and before they knew it, they had all grown into graceful and elegant swans. It has come time for all of you to find a place of your own.
What?
So you will be able to have a beautiful family like ours, and continue our pure bloodline. Okay, mother.
How about one, Cass?
Nah, that's my papa.
Then darted off along the lake. Gliding along the water, the swan siblings reminisced about the past.
It's a shame, really,
Said one of the swans.
Although he wasn't a looker, it does feel strange that he has left us.
What?
Silly, as if you care what.
Oh no, you regret that, dude. You will definitely. I don't even know how to watch this. Is this an ugly duckling? What is this? This is a kid story. This is a strong horror, okay?
Simon, that's horrible. Just because he was a little different didn't mean we had to be such
Huh?
dicks as kids.
Loosen up, Sylvie.
Oh no! Do you see it in the background? Do you see it in the background? It's the ugly duckling! I'm just gonna. Oh my goodness!
What does Terry even know?
Whatever, Simon, Mum praising your coat has got to your head. It's getting dark. Where is everyone?
We cannot cook hot dog. There's no mantika.
Oh no! What's wrong with my sense? Oh my goodness!
Seasons passed, and the mother swan decided it was time to reunite with her kids. Disappointed
Oh, no.
never came to visit, she swam the route along the lake that her children once did many moons ago. It is awfully quiet here, thought Mother Swan, as she passed the reeds of what she assumed would shelter her offspring. She found it up.
Okay na, iba yung mantika na. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
But now to think of it, that she hasn't heard from her kids after all these years.
Really? It has been 2025. Wait, no, 2036 right now.
Simon said he was going to move here. She pondered. I
That's so
wonder if
old.
he's finally got some projects of his own.
Really?
Approaching the farmhouse, Mother Swan called out, Simon, Mother is home. There was silence. The door was left ajar. Simon, come on, darling. I want to see how my beautiful boy has.
Every day I was reminded that I am inadequate. You're afraid, not afraid. You're famous. You're big. But like trying to keep your perfect family. It will be hard to continue.
No, there's this.
If everyone is dead. You want to know what I've done? I think you know. I have come to live before. No one came looking for me when I disappeared. And now, no one will come looking for you.
I mean, banana. Oh wow! Well, that was a great one. Anyways, goodbye, and you also get one